Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto basilico. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have on hand 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 cup of pecorino sardo. Finally, prepare 1/2 cup of high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. These fresh components are key to a vibrant, flavorful pesto. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. First, gently wash and thoroughly dry your basil leaves. This prevents a watery pesto. Next, lightly toast your pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This step truly enhances their flavor. Then, grate your Parmesan and pecorino cheeses. Finally, combine the basil, toasted pine nuts, garlic, and both cheeses in your food processor or a traditional mortar. The next crucial step is adding the olive oil. With your food processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This gradual addition helps create a beautiful emulsion. Continue processing until your pesto reaches a smooth, yet slightly coarse, consistency. You want it to be well combined but still have some texture. Finally, taste and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Once your delicious pesto is ready, it's time to store it or enjoy it immediately. Transfer the pesto to an airtight container. To keep it fresh and prevent browning, pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the surface. You can refrigerate your pesto for up to 5 days or freeze it in small portions for longer storage. It's perfect with pasta, on bruschetta, or as a flavorful spread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.